Yeah, and I was very curious about, because I think few days back Priyanka Chopra shared like pictures of her like life as a
Yeah.
pageant girl,
Yeah.
and it's like it sounded looked very fascinating. So
Yeah.
what is that life like? Like comedians, do you have to go open mic? Do you have to like go
Go and
for?
just like
Open
walk around
stages.
and just
I don't
wear
know
a
what's the
crown.
process of becoming
I
a.
mean, see, for me, it was simple. I wanted to get into the movies,
Okay.
but how the hell do I do that? There's no way. In Bangalore, I don't know a single person in
Okay.
this field. I don't even know like an editor. Like,
Correct.
I know no one,
Okay.
and there was absolutely no way of me remotely entering here. The
Correct.
only path that I saw was maybe pageants, because like you said, Priyanka Chopra,
Yeah.
Aishwarya Rai, my favorite, all of these people have come through pageants. So
Correct.
as a normal, and this was like 10, 12 years ago, not now. Now there's social media,
Correct.
Instagram, people know, there are casting agents, there are like so many things you can do. But 10, 12 years ago, there was
Correct.
this, all this was not, there was just Facebook
Yeah.
and Facebook DP. So I used to think that if I click a really nice picture and put it up, some director is going to see my display picture and call me and say,
For a movie.
yeah,
Oh, did that happen?
no, no, not even remotely close to something like that. But that seemed like the only way to kind of get into this kind of a circle. So I started modeling for about 2 months. I didn't really like it though. I
Okay.
really tried liking it, but yeah, I didn't really like modeling. But surprisingly, I went for this thing called Femina
Miss
Style
Diva.
Diva. So first I went for Femina Style Diva in
Style.
Bangalore. There's this person called Prasad Bidappa in Bangalore. He's like the person that you go to if you want to model. So I went there and I didn't know how to walk, catwalk, and I knew nothing, and I just randomly won. Uh, and
Okay.
even when I was on stage, that was like a blank. So somewhere I just felt like, okay, maybe I can do this. So then I kind of took it seriously and
Okay.
went ahead and trained a little bit and all of that.
And what do you train in as a model? Like walking?
Um, it's a very overall thing. Yeah,
Okay.
walking also.
You have to be a better
Though,
human being, you're saying.
no.
Oh, for that question, that final question.
That final question, oh my God, yeah. I mean, you have to, I don't know, like, they give you these lists of, like,
Like
how for
topics.
10th
Oh, like IAS
boards,
people.
yeah, you
Oh,
have
like
these,
previous year's question.
yeah, question papers. So it's the same thing. Like, you
Yeah.
get these questions and then they're like, prepare. You could
Correct.
get asked anything. But I am the kind of person, I cannot prepare answers. Like,
Okay.
I cannot pre-decide I'm going to say this and say something. I just can't. I'll like go blank or something. So I never did that. But yeah, people do that. Like they prepare like
But
10
what was
years.
your question? I'm curious.
I have no clue. I was blank. I think it was something about red lipstick or something like that.
Wow.
Sounds very vain. I'm sure it was a better question.
Okay.
But I am blank on my answer because I don't know what I said. I was so like, I don't know. I was just spaced out because I didn't know what the hell was happening. But I won. For me, that was like unbelievable. And I'm sure it was unbelievable for everybody there. So from there, I got a little bit of confidence that, okay, maybe what I'm thinking is not so wrong. Maybe I have some sort of a shot,
Okay.
so let's try.
And did you get crowned?
Try.
Did
I did.
Oh.
Yeah.